How to turn on and enable Google Photos on Google Maps. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is easy and fast. Go to Google Maps. As you can see, this is the home page. Now go to the top corner, click on your profile and click here on your profile option, the second one, and it will take you to this page. Click on edit profile, click on profile and privacy settings. Now all what you have to do is go up like this until you find Google Photos, and from here you can enable it like this, very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.